Welcome back to Nightingale's Motorcycle Restorers. What we're going to do this week is just show you, it's Monday the 5th, we're just going to show you a few things in the workshop, the kind of thing you ask us to, if we can do any videos on, just to see the before and after. So we're going to walk through to the workshop, show a few parts, what's starting this week, and then go from there. What we've got here as well is one of our RS250 specials, the kind of thing we build in the workshop. This one we didn't build, but we've done a lot of work to it. We've just done some powder coating to it, put some steering head bearings in it, and prepared it ready for sale. Beautiful bike, absolutely stunning. So we'll go through to the workshop and have a look at some of this week's work. Right, so first we've got some discs in, pretty rough, but we're going to transform these back. So we'll do a before and after, especially if we've done some powder coating wheels or Cerakoting wheels. You can do a lot with the discs. The customer's just asking us to brighten these up a bit. We've got some crankcases in off a motorcycle, motocross bike. We're going to take them back first with ultra-fine walnut, degrease them, ultra-fine walnut, and then aqua vapour blasting them, so they should look impressive. So I've just started to put these in a tank. It's a couple of cylinder heads off a big Harley Davidson. It's got the original coating on, which is an absolute nightmare to get off sometimes, but we started just removing it now. I've just pulled it out just to show you the first start of the process of it. It's horrible. Sometimes it's harder than powder coating to get off, but our ultrasonic tank will take that off without touching any metallic objects, you know, no ash, oxides or anything. Once we've done that, we'll fully rinse it into a fine media, and then he wants them back to aqua vapour blasting, a lovely eye bling finish. So we mix our glasses to get an eye finish, and we'll show the finished results on them. Typical weekly thing is a petrol tank off a bike. Customers had a go at it, usual vinegar and all the recipes which they do, but he wants us to have a go at it. We'll de-rust the inside of that. We've put a camera down it. The thing is, a lot of people get confused with tanks, and we have it every week. The way fuel goes off stale now, it can actually look like rust sitting in the tank. This is actually a little bit of rust. The gent's taken a good amount of it out, but we need to give it a kick with some of our products and then take the stale fuel out of it. We've also got a bit of a phosphate on our chemical we use, so it won't flash over as fast on rust, and that'll be ready. That'll be done this week, and then we'll just move to dipping tank. We've got some race wheels in. We also fit tank liners, by the way, but it's the last resort. I take more liners out which have been ill-fitted, because they could have been salvaged. The tank, we can either do 2 or 3 processes. We can do electrolysis, a chemical. We can do different chemicals we mix and put into them. But yeah, we do put fit tank liners in as well, but nothing on the usual internet stuff. It's a commercial product, usually backed by an American company. We've used them for years, and they work in road, race and track. So we've also here, we've just got some race wheels again in. We've just started to put these in. So we haven't done anything yet. As you can see, it's all starting to fall off it. Quite nice, and that's done on ultrasonic as well in our specialist tank we adapted. And we're going to have these done. These, we probably won't get to see these till next week, but these are going to be bright yellow, but for a concourse restoration. So we're going to take these wheels out when we've stripped them. Obviously we haven't used any oxides yet. We'll be washing it off, then we'll be ultra-fine media blasting. Then we'll be powder coating, we'll be rubbing down, we'll be sieving the powder, we'll be going to town. We want them to look like they've been 2-pack sprayed, not powder coated. But we're going to put a lot into these to finish them off, because it is for a show machine. So when we know they want to be the ultimate, we go that extra bit just again on finishing off. Plus there'll be powder lacquered to finish it as well. So we'll put them back in the tank. And they'll just go on a pulse and slowly cook away there. And then what we'll do is we'll put back to you what we're actually going to do. We'll do these crankcases first, we'll do the disc, we'll get these heads done and show a few before and after videos. But it's just what goes on in the workshop on a weekly basis. So people like to watch the videos, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much.